Hi students, welcome everyone to bonus gate classes for ECE. In this video, let us see what we are going to study in the network theory. That means what are the steps we need to follow before solving any problem given in the network theory. The overall thing is the electrical elements are connected, resistance, inductors and capacitors are connected in the given network, and these things are excited by certain energy sources like voltage source or current source. Okay, now the type of source of excitations are also of two types. There might be a DC source or else there might be AC source. Okay, so depending upon the type of excitation, we need to calculate how these different things, electrical property elements, that is inductors, resistor or capacitance, they will behave. Okay, that means how the energies has been stored. There might be in voltage form, how the charges will be stored, and how the energy will be dissipated, or else how the energy can be stored. All things can be studied. Okay, and at what point of time we are interested about all those things comes another second play. That is, suppose at the time of excitation or before the excitation or after the excitation of energy sources, how these elements will behave. Okay, suppose if you want to know just at the moment after the excitation, certain transitions also come into play, so at that time the analysis will be different. Okay, and then let us see another case. Long time after the excitation, all the elements has been entered into a steady state. Okay, at that time the way of analysis of these elements will be different. Okay, different time conditions and different type of excitation of sources. Okay, we are going to study how all those things will behave. That means DC circuit analysis. Okay, that means when the power supply is of DC type, and AC circuit analysis when AC power supplies has given how these elements will behave, and the combination of both these two sources will be given how it will be work out. Okay, and the next thing, just before the switching, transients will become. That means the transient analysis we need to study, and also just after the switching and long time after the switching, there might be enter into steady state analysis. At that time we need to consider how these elements will behave. That means that we need to study steady state analysis. So okay, transients and steady state analysis, different type of conditions will be there. Okay, so that's how we are going to study in the network theory. That means on an overall view, we need to know at what point of time we are interested about the working principle of these all elements. So these all things can be modeled into a mathematical equations. The only thing we need to know is what is the type of equation we need to know and when to apply, and then we need to solve it. Okay, that's how we'll approach any problem in the given network theory. Thank you very much for listening to me. Try to share with your friends so that they will also come to know about our classes. Thank you very much. Bye.